Hey there.
Welcome to Finance Made Simple. Ever wondered how traders turn market chaos into cash? Or maybe you've heard terms like stocks and crypto and thought, where do I even start? Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll get it. Let's dive in. Trading is just exchanging something for value, like swapping your extra burger for a friend's fries.
Easy, right?
Now imagine doing that with stocks, crypto, or even gold. Traders buy low, sell high, and pocket the difference. But here's the kicker: timing is everything. Investors play the long game. Traders ride the daily waves. Both can win, but today we're focusing on trading. Not all traders are the same. Let's break it down.
Number 1.
Day trading: buy and sell within minutes or hours. No overnight risk. Number 2. Swing trading: hold for days or weeks, catch trends like a surfer.
Number 3. Position trading: bigger moves over months. Patience pays.
Your style depends on your goals, time, and how much adrenaline you want.
Your options are endless. Stocks.
Own a slice of companies like Tesla or Netflix.
Forex.
Trade currencies: bet on the euro rising against the dollar.
Crypto.
Bitcoin, Ethereum: high risk, high reward.
Commodities.
Gold, oil, even orange juice. Want stability?
Gold's your buddy. Want thrills?
Crypto's the Wild West.
Here's the game plan.
Pick a broker, your gateway to markets. Analyze: will this stock rise or fall? Buy low, sell high, or short sell, betting it'll drop. Graphic: stock example. Buy 10 shares at 50, sell at 60 equals $100 profit.
But if it drops to 40?
You lose 100. Risk is real. Always watch the spread, the gap between buy-sell prices. That's the broker's snack. Trading isn't a casino.
Risks include volatility.
Prices can swing wildly. Leverage. Borrowing money amplifies gains and losses.
Emotions.
Fear and greed are your worst enemies.
Golden rules. Number 1. Learn first, never jump in blind.
Number 2. Plan your trades: I'll exit if I lose 5%. Number 3. Start small, practice with pretend accounts.
Boom.
You've just unlocked Trading 101.
Ready to start?
Hit that subscribe button and join me next week where we'll build your first trading strategy. Remember, every pro was once a beginner. Stay curious, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next video.
Peace out.